back to my channel, and for today, as you can see from the title down below, we are going to have a transformation. Ano yung title ko? Nakalimutan ko na. But we will transform our old clothes into new fashions. So these are just 3 DIYs that we will be doing, or 4 I think. Basta 3 to 4 lang, kasi heads up, some of it are epic fail and some of it works. Why does the timer goes off? But let's get it on. Okay, so this is the first DIY, and this is a freaking thrifted polo that I have, and it's so freaking long. So what we will do is we freaking make it crop and cut it like that. Nah, don't do it! But i-cut lang natin into a crop top, and that freaking piece of fabric right there, we will use that and we will sew it. But first, we need to measure it into our freaking body para syempre kasha. And ayun.
Mausay ka nito, chain! Pin it down using this to your desired length.
And we will just sew the freaking fabric down.
Where is the scissors? Bang! All girls are be like this. Oh, it's well. Yeah.
Okay, so right now what we are going to do is we will freaking cut this chain that we have. It's plastic, so we will heat up our knife and then cut through it, and you can see, yes, it cuts like butter. And freaking don't inhale, ano daw? But don't inhale the smoke, guys. It's toxic. Maybe just like your friend that you have, that's not really your friend. Don't! Oh my god, no! I'm so sorry guys, but it's my brother, and sinuot niya yung top na to na ginagawa natin dito sa video. It's just freaking funny. So what we are going to do is to cut this into that kind of cut, and so that we will, you know, put the chain inside of it like as a sleeve. Basta explainable naman to dito, di ba? Like, hello? Oh, where was I? Saan ako pumunta? Oh yes, the siopaw. Yun. You know, we need to take a break and just cut it. Basta gawin nyo na lang kung anong ginagawa ko dito, and you will succeed. But then I don't recommend this cut because it's not looking like, you know, professionally done. I thought it looked cute, but then it isn't. So that's why don't do it like I did. Lesson learned. Right now what we are going to do is to stick the plastic chain together again by using a freaking fire. You know how to glue it together, right? Okay, so what we are going to do is sew this kasi nafe-fray siya. So what we're going to do is like tusok, then hila, but then meron yan siyang ganyan. Meron siya to. We're going to... Yung inspiration dito is nakita ko sa mga haul, I think sa Zaful, pero yung chain nila maliit lang, and this freaking thing here is so big. But then I just did it because why not? I don't know if it's cute or not, but you know, your girl gotta do what your girl gotta do because your girl is broke. And this is the final product of the top that we did, and yes guys, yes! DIY na to is nakikita ko siya sa Instagram. Most of the Instagram stores, especially the thrifted ones, yung ginagawa nila is yung polo, kina-crop nila, tapos kina-garterize nila. So this is what the video or DIY is all about. So first we have our polo, cropped polo, and then we will use our elastic and just measure it. So we will turn it over and then fold the end and then just sew it all around. So what we are going to do now is put the elastic inside of that freaking hole using a pin, safety pin, and just go and, you know, put it, basta alam niyo naman kung anong ginagawa ko dito, diba? It's just putting a garter inside of a freaking crop top.
We need to sew these together. Let's sew. Up, down.
So what we are sewing right now is the hole that we did a while ago. Kasi kailangan natin yun i-seal off.
I thought it will be short, but it's not. It's freaking sakto lang.
And this is the outcome of that DIY. Next DIY is this top. First I was thinking like cropping it, but then after I crop it, na-realize ko pwede pala siya maging ruched top. Yung nakikita nyo ba yung mga DIY na ngayon na ruched? Alam niyo ba meaning ng ruched? Basta ilagay ko dito yung picture and super cute niya, and na-realize ko pwede ko pa sanang gawin na ganun. But then, your freaking girl cut it already. So, this is the t-shirt that we are going to DIY. And look at that! There's a freaking hole and we need to also crop it. So, right now, we are going to just cut the t-shirt into a crop top. And then, what we are going to do now is to fold it turn it inside out, and then isulang natin yung hole, and then after that, yun, nakikita nyo na hanggang gabi po ako nandito, no, sa labas. And yun, i-skip lang natin. I will just freaking sew this like up and down. So ayun nga. Tinanggal ko ulit yung stitch kasi hindi ko matanggal. Like it's so freaking tight here. So I will just cut it again para maging crop top talaga siya, and then I will leave it as it is. So lesson learned, don't freaking do the stitches kung hindi ma-fit into your freaking body. Now, the final piece is right here in front of you. So what we are going to do is pretty butterfly and then wrap it in a plastic. Next is ilagay natin siya sa top. Di ba naka-wrap na yung butterfly sa plastic, and then i-put natin siya sa t-shirt, and then we will put a parchment paper on top of it, and then press it with an iron and just wait for it until the plastic will melt down in the freaking t-shirt. But then this is a freaking fail for me, but as you can see, it will not freaking peel off, like as you can see.
What?
And then I tried the other way, and then it freaking did its job.
Okay.
But then I tried it for a couple of times. As you can see, there's a freaking another butterfly there, and that is the first try that I did, and it's not good. And I will link down below yung original video neto na nakita ko sa TikTok. Okay, it's fine. It's fine. Is it worth it? I don't know. The last DIY is right here, right now, and as you can see, please educate yourself what is going on within our world right now. Please check the description box down below. So I hope you like this video, and click that subscribe button down below, and also that notification bell button beside, so you'll be notified whenever I upload. And give this a video a thumbs up if you like this video. You know, maybe I will do something more in the future, like this kind of thing. So that's all, I guess, that I could say.